Hey YouTube, how are you all doing? So today we've got another tech unboxing and demo for you. So today we're going to look at my new speakers, which is the PodSpeakers, in particular the BIGPOD in red. So I'm updating my trusty floor standers for my hi-fi that I've had for many years. Partially because I just fancied a change. I wanted something to go nicely with the decor in here, which is pretty bright and funky, and they're meant to sound really good as well. So we're going to have a look inside these two big black boxes in a second. So before we do that, a couple of bits that I got with the speakers. I got this little freebie, which is an 8 gig USB drive in the shape of a pod speaker, pretty funky. And of course, as they're going to sit on the floor, I got some spikes, the Sputnik spikes I think they're called. So I just got them in silver, so 2 sets of those. I picked these up from Hi-Fi Audio UK. They really looked after me, so big shout out to them, thanks very much. But without further delay, let's crack these boxes open and take a look inside. Shaping sound. So in the top of the box, we've got, I think this is the back cover that covers up where your speaker cables go, and you've got your guide. Take that top piece away. Almost looks like a chrysalis at the moment because the protective bag. So this is one of the BIGPODs. Doesn't look to be anything else in there, and there's not much else to get out really. So I'll take this out of the package, I'll take the other one out of the package, and we'll have a look at the product itself. So we have our first peek at the speakers themselves here. So we'll take the bags fully off now and have a proper look. So here we go, look at the speakers first time in the flesh. Now as you can see, really bright, not as bright as the previous generation, it should be said. These are a matte red finish. They do have a Kevlar driver. They do have actually interchangeable rings, but I prefer just to leave them black. I think you can get wood or metallic colours, which is you know, if you want to do that, it's an option for you. But for me, I was going to leave them as they are, black and red. So I'll just turn one of these round now to show you the rear, and then I'll pop them onto the hi-fi and we'll have a demo. So here's the rear. Obviously the cover goes here. That's a mounting bracket, and obviously speaker connections there. So yeah, so that's all there is to see really. I'll get them set up now and we'll do a quick audio demo. It doesn't really come across on YouTube of course, but it's a nice thing to do for the video. And again, a big shout out to Alan at Hi-Fi Cinema UK web store for helping me out with these and getting hold of these great speakers. say, the design is very yin and yang, very love or hate. I just think they're pretty funky, bit of fun for me hi-fi, and it'll match obviously this kind of theme I've got going on here. So okay guys, I'll set everything up now and then we'll cut to a demo. Cheers. Okay guys, so we're now all connected. I'm just going to run some royalty-free YouTube music through the speakers, just to give you a bit of a demo, see them in action. Again, it's going to be nothing outstanding over YouTube, but yeah, a bit of fun. So let's give this a go. Just a bit of fun really. Thanks for watching guys. I'll put some photographs at the end of the video of the speakers. Hopefully this will give people an impression of the speakers, because it's quite hard to find anything on YouTube or the internet in general. Take care kids, see you next time, cheers.